Welcome to the COPD Foundation State Captain Informational video clip. This brief video will provide an overview of COPDF State Captain programming and how to get involved. The COPD Foundation was established in 2004 with the mission to prevent and cure chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and to improve the lives of all people affected by COPD. This is done through programming in education, research, and advocacy. With over 31 million individuals affected by COPD in the United States, the more voices we can join together, the stronger we will be to create positive change. The State Captain program was created as a grassroots local and national effort to educate individuals, community members, and elected officials about COPD, to push COPDF advocacy and policies forward, and to provide a support network for all affected by COPD. Our State Captain program encompasses individuals from all over the United States who are passionate about improving the lives of those with COPD. State Captains are the heart of our community and include integral voices of patients, caregivers, respiratory therapists, family members, friends, and community members. Our State Captains work hard on a variety of initiatives and can participate in research, policy, advocacy, mentorship, and much more. In the next few minutes, I will provide a brief overview of State Captain categories you can work on. But remember, this list is not all-inclusive. State Captains can also participate in more than one category. It is based on their interests and what they would like to accomplish. Our research champions support the integration of the patient perspective into all stages and types of research, and facilitate opportunities to grow and use the COPD Patient-Powered Research Network. Some activities could include serving as a co-investigator in a study or serving on a study advisory or governance board. Our policy champions advocate for COPD policy issues at the state and federal level through building relationships with elected officials and promoting grassroots advocacy campaigns. A few examples of this could include seeking out awareness proclamations, emailing, calling, or contacting their elected officials. The resource champions contribute to the COPDF's ability to meet unfunded needs by facilitating fundraising opportunities and encouraging community members to undertake their own efforts. An example of this could include organizing a fundraising campaign. Community connectors serve as an ambassador for COPD by educating the general public about COPD and connecting the patient and caregiver community to the resources available through COPDF to help them improve their quality of life. Some examples of this could be organizing health and community events or arranging presentations at local COPD support groups. The provider connectors elevate providers' knowledge about COPD patient-centered diagnosis and care while connecting them to the COPDF community and the resources available for them and for their patients. An example of this could be identifying primary care providers, DME, home care groups to facilitate visits, presentations, and material drops. Finally, our community mentors shape the face of the COPD community through high-profile written features, speaking opportunities, and individual mentoring efforts with community members who are potential volunteers. This could include responding to referrals, recruiting and identifying new captains, and mentoring others with a growing interest in their involvement in the COPD community. As a state captain, you will be welcomed into a strong network of over 60 advocates and friends where you can share resources, educational materials, support, and advice. You will also be given access to monthly skills-based webinars and trainings to learn more about advocacy, policy, research, data, and much more. Have questions? Interested in becoming a state captain? Send an email to statecaptains@copdfoundation.org and one of our staff members will connect with you. We will set up a brief phone call with you to learn more about your interests and we'll get you started in the onboarding process. I hope you will join us and become a part of the State Captain community today.